Guys, what is up? It is That Cool here, and today we are playing World of Warships. And we are in the Kawachi. I think that's how it's said. How you say it. I don't know. Because I'm stupid and I don't speak Japan. I don't know how Japan names their ships. Why were the ship names so weird? And it was just an update. I think it fixed all the lag. Usually I'd be getting lag right now. We're gonna go. I'm thinking I'm going port. And then starboard. Right day. Which is probably gonna be capping sea soon. Now is it bad if this battleship catches up to that cruiser? What's that cruiser? Let's see. Where are they? Okay, they're by, what did I tell you? B. I meant to say B, not C. They're by B, so they're probably gonna be like right here by now. Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna be right here. Some point. I don't know. How far is that tiny little ship out? It's too far. Well, now I could fire the gun farther than what I'm supposed to be able to. I have to fix that glitch. So if they're firing from there, I soon should be able to fire from here. There's a battleship over there somewhere. Tell about how many rounds have been put out. That cruiser does not put out that many rounds, that battleship. I know it's just a shot at the cruiser. Okay. So no one's in C, so we have people in A. So we're gonna start gaining a bunch of stuff. No one's in B either. I'm gonna put some light on this bitch. I mean, person. Whoopsies. You heard nothing. You heard nothing. See how close those were? Damn it. I think they fixed it. Yeah, they fixed it. No! How am I glitch? I gotta get extremely effing close. That really sucks. Either he disappeared or you sank. I can't tell, he sank. Ah, you sank yourself, you idiot. Why do I only have two turn settings? Okay, it says I have. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so stupid. Stupid. green. What the hell? I think we're too busy just sitting there doing nothing. We're gonna turn into battle. Let's see, how far is that guy out? Aww. Faggot. You are a faggot. Get back into battle. Get back here, you motherfucker. You heard nothing. Dun, dun, lag. Oh my god, the lag. F this guy. So far out. Get back to battle. Jesus. Fire! Over the mountain! Over the mountain! Over the mountain! Damn it! Damn it, why do you have to screw everything up? Okay, here we go. Look at that. Hit. Hit. No hit. Why? Why you do this to me? Fire. Fire. Oh wait, he's a little faster. Ooh. Ooh, damn. Damn. Damn, boy. I got it, huh? Did you see that one hit KO for me? Yeah, I just hit him once and he's gone. Okay, what type of class is this ship? I'm thinking it's American, North Carolina. It might be a Kawaki. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Stupid. Okay, I gotta see the car on it. It looks to be North Carolina. Fire! I'll overrule Carolina. North Carolina. Where'd my rounds go? The mountain. Uh-oh. Is he turning his turn? No, he's not focusing on me. But I'm focusing on his end. Oh shit, he's turning his turns now. Come on, let me get some firepower in this. Move, move, move. Turn. Load, load. Faster. Faster. 30-second wait. So if I lost those two. Okay, I missed. Okay, that was too high. Fire. What the hell? Fire! Finally! That was a little too easy, don't you think? You best be turning those turns now. I get slam on the brakes. They didn't make it past the mountain. That's what you mean. I better speed up now, because that thing's gonna be aiming on May. On May missed. Ha ha! Faggot. Faggot. Eat leg. I hit you too, bitch. Oh, he's in a Kawachi! Kawachi brother! Brother! Brother, stop fighting on me! We won! We won! That was easy! How long was that match? I don't know! Good 9 minutes! 35 seconds! And I had only maneuverability up. Because that's all I could afford. But you got the hull. haul when I should have saved up for the haul. The Kawachi's the best. Oh no! Oh no! There's two Carolinas. Oh no! I got this. I got this. I got this. Got this. This. Oh no! Wait. The South Carolinas have more distance than the Kawachi. Kawachi. Aw, this is unfair. No, it isn't. We've beaten Pat. We already might win. Okay. Oh, so it's just an all-out battle. So I'm gonna need battleship in the middle. Nice to know. It's gonna take me like 10 minutes just to get up to that. Okay, so go ahead, scope the place. It doesn't seem like I need too much ripples. Okay, we're doing good. Let's take out the back of this ship. There should be more ripples coming out, not just that much. That's your little ripples! We need more ripples! Are you a hippo? I'm not sure I should be doing that. We're going to battle. Oh, he's going fast. He thinks he could outrun the power of Elise. Oh, he goes trip. Oh, he's turned into him! He turned into him like an idiot! What a fucking idiot! Oh, I destroyed his torpedo! Victory! Oh, that's a Tyrone or whatever. Oh, it's so easy to kill. Especially with this big bad boy. I destroyed his propeller, his prop. Oh, he gone. He gone like a mofo. We got it. Good job, team. Good job. Oh, wait, you can't hear me. Uh-oh, I'm gonna crash now. Oh, that should by a battleship, you know that. You better can't aim that far. Oh, it wasn't by a battleship. Why is it firing over the mount? Oh. Eat Mount 5. What? Oh, that's a South Carolina right there. You think you can fire on him? Look at that barrage. Oh. Fire! I think I should be using AP shells. Not too sure. Oh, he hit me with AP. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I got some high explosive for him. How do you fire so much in such a little time? Fire. Boom. Fire. Boom. Fire. Boom. Fire. Hit it. Boom. Fire. This mountain's gonna protect me. Why won't he stop using the stupid AP shells? Fire! Hey Jones. Load AP. Yeah, welcome to 30-second wait for load. Literally 30 seconds. That guy's somewhere behind here. There's no way he would have turned around in that time. And we're gonna sneak up on him and unload some nice high velocity. No, these may be high velocity. Sometimes the smaller guns have higher velocities than those extremely fucking large guns. I want a 15-inch German battleship, but I can't get that. It ruins my life. Dude, you just sped right past him. Fucking ding dong. Either he sped past you. Oh, he's going around it. There's no way I'm gonna fire at him. I can't tell if this guy is moving in. Then I would have to aim my turns towards him, and that's gonna take too long. I can't tell. Yeah, he's moving in on me. How rude. I don't want to crash into that. Go to port. Starport. Or port, whatever. If it's called, I don't care. They're not going to see it coming, but... Did they seriously hit the mountain? You've got to be kidding me. Stop hitting the mountain. Finally. 5,000! I'm going to start using more APs. APs rather than AGs. He dead. He dead. He lost. You think... Oh, I thought that was the enemy. But you think you could sneak up on me? What a big mistake. We got the enemy right here. Unload some block. Look at those APs. APs don't really work on cruisers for some reason. Why are you firing at me? Your rounds just bounce off like a sack of penises. I'm sure that's appropriate for YouTube. You seriously what? Stop firing at me at the same time. What the fuck? You think so? Oh, you think you can do this? Do that. Do that. I don't know. You think you can beat me? Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop turning. Stop turning. Stop turning. Stop turning. Fire. Done. Done. I probably fired the same amount of rounds you're firing at me, so watch your language.